For the best price, click the link in the description. You're probably here because you're struggling to find a reliable media player that can handle all your streaming needs. Whether it's 4K video, live TV, or gaming, you want something that can keep up with your demands. But here's what surprised me. The Ugoos AM6B Plus is more than just a media player. It's an Android-based device packed with features that make it a powerhouse in the world of streaming and entertainment. But there are some things that set it apart from its competitors. First off, let's talk about the design. The Ugoos AM6B Plus has a sleek and compact build that makes it perfect for any living room or bedroom setup. It's small enough to be placed discreetly, but it's also large enough to house all your favorite streaming apps. But what really caught my attention was its Android 10 operating system, which allows you to access the Google Play Store and download a wide range of apps. From Netflix to YouTube, you can have any app you want right at your fingertips. Therefore, I decided to put it through some rigorous testing to see if it lives up to all the hype. First, let's talk about performance. The Ugoos AM6B Plus is powered by an Amlogic S905X3 processor, which delivers smooth and seamless video playback even with 4K content. It also comes equipped with 2 GB of RAM, which ensures that multiple apps run smoothly without any lag or buffering. But what really impressed me was its support for live TV streaming. The Ugoos AM6B Plus has built-in support for DVB-T2, which allows you to stream live TV from all over the world. It's a game-changer for anyone who loves watching sports or news. Therefore, I decided to test it out with my favorite streaming services, and let me tell you, it did not disappoint. First up was Netflix. I was blown away by how smooth and seamless the video playback was. The Ugoos AM6B Plus handled 4K content like a pro, and I didn't experience any lag or buffering. But what really surprised me was its performance on YouTube. I'm a big fan of 4K videos, and the Ugoos AM6B Plus delivered stunning visuals without any issues. However, there were some minor hiccups when I tried to play live TV from my local channels. But this is not unique to the Ugoos AM6B Plus. Many streaming devices have trouble with live TV due to licensing restrictions. Therefore, let's talk about the features that really set it apart. The Ugoos AM6B Plus has a range of customization options, including support for multiple languages and keyboard layouts. It also comes equipped with Wi-Fi 5, 802.11 AC, and Bluetooth 4.2 for seamless connectivity to your devices. But what really caught my attention was its IR remote control, which allows you to control the device without ever having to leave your couch. Therefore, I decided to test out its parental controls, and let me tell you, they're top-notch. You can set limits on screen time, monitor usage, and even block access to certain apps or websites. But what really impressed me was its security features. The Ugoos AM6B Plus comes equipped with a range of built-in security tools, including virus protection and malware scanning. It also supports face recognition for secure biometric authentication. Therefore, let's talk about the price. At $99, it may seem like a bit of an investment, but trust me, this device is worth every penny. For that price, you get a powerful media player with all the features you need to stay entertained. However, I must note that there are some minor drawbacks. The Ugoos AM6B Plus has no built-in support for Dolby Atmos or DTS-X, which may be a deal-breaker for some audiophiles. Therefore, let's summarize what we've learned so far. The Ugoos AM6B Plus is a powerful media player with an Android 10 operating system, supporting live TV streaming and a range of customization options. It also comes equipped with parental controls, security features, and IR remote control for seamless connectivity to your devices. But here's the thing, it's not without its flaws. The Ugoos AM6B Plus has some minor drawbacks, including no built-in support for Dolby Atmos or DTS-X. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable media player that can handle all your streaming needs, the Ugoos AM6B Plus is definitely worth considering. But don't just take my word for it, try it out for yourself and see what you think. For the best price, click the link in the description.